you guys are gonna go buy some bikes with me, I guess, from a subscriber. So you're gonna get to see how y'all should hook me up with deals, man. Maybe he can teach you something. I'm over here at the Homeland. There's Blake right over there. He's meeting me here. And he's gonna ride with me, go get these bikes, meet this subscriber too, and help me out this morning. So I might have some news for you guys, but basically, if you got a Tecate, which is an ATC, and you take a wheel and replace the two back ones, you make it a TECATES. You smell that? You smell what I'm cooking? What's up, dog?
Yeah.
I told him you couldn't get your fat, skinny legs out of the door, so I had to pull forward.
Hell yeah, I could have, but I was gonna jump onto the trailer.
Are you hungover this morning?
Hell no.
You're not, dude.
Not that much. I'm really, honestly, I just heavily medicated at the moment.
Oh, nice. Good for you. Good for you. Good for you. Oh, shit, bro. No wonder you couldn't get out of the van.
Yeah.
Like, heading out to go grab these three-wheelers, and we watched some fights last night with some homies. Let me just say, the Dominic Cruz thing was a real bummer. And good for Justin Gaethje, man. And just got frying panned. Caught them frying pans upside the head for 5 rounds. Dead in the face a few times. Boom, broadsided. That was pretty brutal. Hey, we ain't got to see Henry Cejudo no more. Dap that up. Hell yeah. No more Triple C. That's the best part.
There's some spots to take the pit bikes, construction.
Dude, I found a DRC in my front yard last night.
Really?
Yellow DRC 110, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I found a yellow DRC 110 in my yard last
Got a
night.
143 kit in it.
Yeah, well.
Enjoy that.
We hear dogs. Oh, probably where this gate is open right here. Cool. We'll get her done real quick, boys. Got these suckers loaded up. Thank goodness. Grab that. Scored a couple TECATES. Blue axle, custom swing arm, and a couple big reds. Nice. Nice. I think it's homemade. It looks sturdy, but I'd like to see better welds on it, to be honest with you. I'm kind of looking here. Yeah. A couple reds and a couple greens, dude. Like, for real. Come on. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Hope you like and subscribe. So this morning we were gonna make a video, and we went and picked up some bikes, and it was just not fun loading them with no tires, and I didn't want to be on camera. That happens a lot. So either way, a subscriber hooked us up big time with some bikes. There's a couple Tecates over there. There's a pretty sweet red right there. There's another red right here behind me. My plan is to take this one here, and I'm actually gonna just sell it as is. I just washed it, and I actually covered the seat because it was kind of gnarly. But I just washed the bike and I listed it as is. And I paid the $1,000 for all 4 of them, and I'm gonna try and get $1,000 for this one. And then I'm gonna take the money for this ATC. And I have the side fenders in there. I'm gonna put some new tires on it. I have a better front rack and a good front fender and a good tank. Excuse me. So we're gonna get a build video on this one pretty soon, or a fresh up video. And then here's you look at these Tecate 3s. I mean, I don't have much info on that swing arm besides it looks like it was homemade. Somebody used a bandsaw or a daggum sawzall or something to make them cuts, but I have big plans for these, and I can't tell you what it is. Can't tell you how I plan to do it, because a lot of it's some top secret stuff. Like, a lot of it I want to keep on the hush hush until it's done. And when this thing's done, y'all are gonna be surprised. I promise you, you're gonna be surprised. It's Sunday. Y'all might not see it till tomorrow, but happy Mother's Day to my wife and mom and everybody else that's a mother out there. Hey, shouts out goes to all of Blake's babies' mamas. They mothers too, so that's coming straight from him. But that's a long list. I'm gonna give a little shout out to a subscriber today too, Thomas LePan. I know you found you a sweet big red today, dude. Hey man, congratulations, dude. And thanks for the tip on the Predator. I bet it is full of chunks of metal like you say, and I'm probably gonna need to do that break-in oil change. So y'all get a video of that plus update on that mini bike pretty quick. So thanks for subscribing, guys, and keep watching. I've got big stunt plans for Blake, so don't forget. I got plenty to wash down them fajitas. This mother full too. There gotta be 60 Bud Lights in there, boy. All right, dude, like, I'm thinking second gear and you can get onto the other side of the driveway with it.
Hey, we didn't, hold on.
Dude, you had it.
No, first of all, the gas was off. That would have just fucked me right there.
If you
That would have been it.
If you turn it around, you can flat land it a little better. Yeah. It'll all kind of work out. Otherwise, the ground kind of falls out from underneath you at that
there,
angle.
You're aiming it to try and get me in the mud. I see what you're doing.
Sure to the tractor?
All 3 of my teeth out.
Where are you taking it? Watch them shins, dog. Oh, so it was the way I had it facing. Nice. Oh! Oh!
That's so far, dude. Straight into this.
Tell us.
What?
Predict the future. What are you doing?
Basically, I'm back to come, dude. I'm gonna send this bitch.
That's bad news bears, boys. It's too close is what the problem is. He said you can't do it. On your bike, dude, I'll fucking huck it smooth over. Mom, this is kiddie stuff. Oh, try not to get scammed for something on the internet. Every day she wants me to order something off the TV.
All right, here we go.
You got more in you.
I think I maxed it out for today.
You got more in you, bro. Just sprayed gas all.
You landed like right here. It's looking good so far.
Send it, bro.
I just did. I sailed it.
Lift her up a little more.
No,
You hit the front tire right on the quad fenders.
Dude, next thing you know, the forks are going to hit me like teeth.
Well, I'm just saying you owe me fenders.
Yeah, if that happens, bro, you buy this bike. It's a $4,000 bike.
He's got plenty of speed. I'm telling you, he's not going to come up short. Like, you got 30 feet.
That's good. The bars are feeling it. I feel the pegs are about to bust out the case.
I think you got one more in you. You move it. Put it where you feel.
Man, that was...
But look at all the people you got watching. Like, come on.
Let me see that one, though.
I just want to see you clear the bars.
Me too. Fuck. I hope so. Goddamn. I want to fucking see me
too.
Goddamn.
Here comes a cold one. That's how you win. If you can pick that up, dude, while you swoop by, then we'll all just admit right now you're better. Hey guys, just want to thank you also because we just got to 750 subscribers. Want to thank you guys for getting us to 750. Appreciate it, and comment on these videos. Tell us what you want to see, and be sure and share them, and like the videos. Share them to your friends. Share them on your Facebook. Share them on your social media, because we want this thing to. I want it to be worth our time, you know. So I have other stuff I could be doing, but I enjoy doing this, so you guys be sure, if you enjoy watching it, share it to your friends and get them on board. So thanks for 750, guys, and we'll have another video coming for you real quick. Be ready, pay attention. Plus you got the mini bike giveaway, so that's coming. Don't forget, if you ain't already in on it, you better look on the channel and get in on it, because at 1,000 we're drawing. It's Mother's Day, boys. There's some Mother Nature right there. Little Mother Nature. Gummer. What? Come on.